Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from a Slack channel to keep your project groups focused and secure. Step 1. Open the member list. To manage the people inside a specific channel, you need to access the member directory for that conversation. Navigate to the channel and click on the cluster of profile pictures, or the member count, in the top right corner of the window. This will slide open a sidebar listing everyone currently in the channel. In the 2026 interface, this is the fastest way to see who has access without digging into the deep workspace settings. Step 2. Locate the member. With the list open, you can now find the specific individual you need to remove. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the member pane to find the person's name. Once you find them, hover your mouse over their name. You will see a 3 dots icon, More, or a direct remove option appear next to their profile. Step 3. Confirm the removal. Because removing someone triggers a notification and cuts off their access to the history, Slack requires a final confirmation. Click the 3 dots and select Remove from Channel. A pop-up will ask, "Are you sure you want to remove name?" Click the red Remove button to finish. Immediately after you confirm, the person will be kicked out of the channel. They will receive a notification from Slackbot letting them know they've been removed. Keep in mind that if this is a public channel, they can technically browse and join again unless you make the channel private. Also, you cannot remove people from the #general channel, as it's a workspace-wide requirement. And that's pretty much it. To remove a member in 2026, open the channel, click the member cluster in the top right, find the person, and select Remove from Channel via the 3-dot menu. This instantly revokes their access to that specific conversation. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.